Down on the spec quickly, we have BrotherHobby 3115 1050 kV. So I'm going to be running these on 6S. Got these old school F3 metal Holybro ESCs. Should be 65 amps each, so there should be plenty of amps for powering the 10-inch props. For my PDB, I went for the Maytech 12S, so I can actually run up to 12S on that, and a Z's all-in-one flight controller. Air unit at the back, Hero 9 on the front, running 2 batteries in series on the bottom. And yeah, so far the hover test has gone well, and I'm going to switch, and then I'm going to take it for a proper maiden. So this I don't know how this is going to go.
Don't go near anything, Chris.
Really fast.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just stay away from anything fucking hard. No, I'm not filming you, sorry.
Yeah, just stand near me and film the drone.
Alright.
Like, I think this is all Betaflight default. I didn't change it.
Oh right, that's what I was going to say to you earlier, because normally all these 10s have got like massive high pigs on them, haven't they?
Yeah, I haven't even changed the pit. I'd say my amp reading's probably correct. Although it does say I'm like pulling over 20 amps. Yeah, cruising along is about 20 amps.
Really? Should be more, thought it'd be more than that. Whoa, I hear that echo there. Looks good because you can see it, because it's so big as well, you can see it well. That flew for a surprisingly long time, man.